What's up guys, Josh here. Today I want to talk about a really cool topic that I found within the past couple of days. And it's something that, is really interesting due to the way technology is going and things like that in the automotive industry. Now it's something that it's surprising in a way, but it's not too surprising as well due to the fact with the way cars are going nowadays, and it's really interesting, so I'm gonna get right into it. So Dodge is making an electric version of their car. They want to make like a really fast version of their car, but electric. Dodge is coming out with an electric car. They want to make this electric car to compete with the new Tesla Model S Plaid. Now the Tesla Model S Plaid is a version of the Tesla Model S that can do 0 to 60 in just a little less than 2 seconds. Dodge is going to be like, yo, Tesla made a car that can do 0 to 60 in like basically 1.5 seconds? No. Oh, no. Nobody will ever be as fast as our cars. Nobody else in this world will make a car faster than any of our Dodges on the face of this earth. We ain't going down without a fight, Tesla. You're going to see. When we build that electric car, man, you guys are going to be stunned when you see how quick it performs. And it ain't a supercharged V8, so you better watch out, Tesla. Yeah, so that's pretty much what Dodge is thinking and saying. So maybe Tesla will come out with something, more fast by the time Dodge builds this electric car. So I think Tesla's starting to, get the warning by hearing these articles. Like Dodge is already working on like a revenge vehicle to go back at Tesla for being faster than them. Because like Dodge doesn't want to, lose a reputation, which they now have, especially at least for the time being, they used to hold the crown of having the fastest vehicles on Earth. And now Tesla has something faster than the Dodge Demon, which is 840 horsepower and 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds. Now that is pretty quick too, but cars are, catching up. Like electric vehicles, someday you're going to do 0 to 60 and be like, man, I hate these things, they're too fast. Slow down. So yeah, that's what people are going to be like, especially older folks and anybody, who's not into cars are going to hate you for like stepping on it, with them in the car. Be like taking off an airplane, but it'll be a lot more intense. So it's something that's going to be really exciting and interesting to see. So now first I'll say that the Dodge Demon 0.6 in just 9.65 seconds. Well, on the other hand, the Tesla Model S did a quarter mile in a whopping 9.23 seconds. Can you imagine? So Tesla basically beat this Dodge Demon by like roughly 30 seconds. Like I said, Dodge is not like letting this go. They're not going down without a fight, let me tell you. So it's going to be interesting to see what, Dodge is going to do now. The only thing is, it's going to kind of be depressing, if it kind of sounds like an electric car, like there's really not too much noise going on with the exhaust or the engine. It's just basically you hear a battery going. That's kind of something that I don't know how many car guys, I don't know if you guys can see it's coming yet, but electric cars, as of right now, with the predictions that are being made and the way they sound right now, I'm not really good perception of how electric cars how they're gonna sound. I mean, performance, they're great, but imagine, yo man, I got this new vehicle. Why does it sound like the inside of a refrigerator? Yo, this should sound like a car. This doesn't sound like a car. This just sounds like nothing. It's way too quiet, man. No, I'm taking this thing back. Man, I'm getting something. I'm getting a V8. Oh wait, I don't make V8s anymore. Come on, man. But aside with that, I think car companies will hopefully come to the realization that, people want the sound and in the engine and the exhaust. Hopefully, they'll find a way to, make these electric vehicles having the same sort of sound like a V8 sound and the sound with the exhaust too. Hopefully, aftermarket companies are going to come to the realization, hopefully not too soon, because gas-powered cars are, if you really look at it from the perspective, that their days are like nearly short, and they're only going to get shorter as time goes on. I mean, a lot of places want to ban the sale of new electric vehicles by 2035, and that's only like 14 years or so. My advice to every car guy out there especially is to enjoy gas-powered cars while you can, because the days are going to be numbered. I mean, someday you're going to see a gas-powered car, especially like a Ford Mustang, in like a museum. Imagine like seeing it at one of the auto shows and be like, man, like, well, I remember driving a Mustang that sounded great as anything, or even, a Dodge Hellcat. I'd just be like, oh man, I remember the good days of gas, and they're gone. I'm somewhat hopeful that, car manufacturers will realize that people don't want to lose the noise at all from performance electric vehicles. Unnamed sources tell the Dodge Bureau, so electric vehicles should come with the next generation. I'm not 100%, but that's just, what I'm reading, and that's what it kind of seems like it's going to be, that it's going to come out with the next generation. Who knows, it might not, but probably might. But we'll have to see what happens when a few years go by. So the new redesigned generation is going to come out in, they say, like 2023. It'll be like 8 years that the Dodge Charger has had the same look, if that's the case. So it'll be like almost 10 years. Like the Chevy Tahoe and the Silverado, they look the same for like 7 years, because I guess they couldn't think of redesign until 2014 or 13. So there's really not too much I have to say. I mean, hopefully this is something that really, is really cool, and they think of a way to make it really cool, regardless it's an electric vehicle. And yeah, so we'll have to see how great it is when it comes out. Hopefully it has, at least some greatness, at least the performance. And yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. And as well, turn on post notifications so you do not miss out on one of my awesome videos. And I'll see you next time.